Today I'm making a 2-ingredient dessert called Oreo Cream. You're going to need crushed up Oreo cookies. I took out the filling inside and crumbed it in my food mill, which a fan gave me, and Reddi Wip. No sponsors for products mentioned or used. On to the recipe. This one is an easy one to do. You're going to spray some whipped cream at the bottom, and then you're going to put some of this on top, and you can put as much Oreo on top of it. I like a lot of it because we're going to bury it equally. Now we're going, I gotta make sure I have some on this side and this side. Now we're going to just go round and round and round and round to another one down here so it's even. And put a little sprinkle on top. That's how it looks. You can even get your kids to help out with this one. It's an easy one. This is what it looks like when it's done. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, like, and share. It helps the numbers. Have a good day.